Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we are going to work on the paint on the Skyline. Stay tuned. So, we just finished the last episode. Marley's out here. Yeah, we just finished the last episode of the oil change. And we're going to move on to sanding the roof. Might see if I can modify that Ryobi one. But I need to do the wet sanding here. Now I did pick up some a lot more paper. As you can see, there's 15-20 bits of paper there. So we will be sanding the roof today. Still need to do the bumper. I am going to repaint the bumper, so it needs another coat of white, and I'll do this diffuser section black. Frankie Galvin's done his black, or if you want to look at it on Instagram, he's Filthy G35. So I'll put a link in the description to his, and you can have a look at that and get back to me before I actually do it, because I'll probably paint that later in the week. But let's get stuck into it. GoPro stop. GoPro stop recording. Wow. So if you didn't know, I'm using the GoPro Hero 8. It's got voice control. Obviously I've gone from a 3 plus to an 8 black, and so much better. Just linked it up to my phone as well, so I'm going to put it up on this mount up here. I used this mount when I was spray painting. So hopefully we can get some good views of me sanding. Probably just the back of my head really, but when I'm over that side, I might start over that side and just film that side, so I'm actually looking at the camera and you're not looking at the back of my head. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, so I've got a block with 800 grit, wet and dry. I am using 800 because I did a pretty bad job prepping this paint, so it didn't go on smooth. But yeah, just got some water from 800, and I'll head over that side and start sanding. Alrighty. So yeah, I think I need to close these doors. Not too much, do I? Maybe just that one. Yeah. So I'm still on the 800. I think I'm nearly done with the 8. And I'll move to that side, which I won't record. I'll move up to, I think 1200 is the next one I've got. Hopefully it turns out alright. Alright guys, I believe I've finished with the 800. We are now onto 1200. Alright guys, yeah, moving on to 2000 group, and I go to 2500 and then to 3000. So we'll pick up once I finish the 3000 because this is probably really boring for you. Just finished with the 3000 grit, wet and dry on the roof, and head inside, make some dinner for me and the little one, and we'll come back out and get the cutters onto the roof. Alright guys, got some compound just on the roof here. So, let's see how we go. I need to get a new buff. Alright guys, so I've used the cutters on both sides, as you may be able to see. Just sprayed some of that final detail on and wiping it off to get rid of the compound. Now I'm going to put just a polish, so the wet look polish on, and I'll use the polisher for that as well. We'll see how it goes. I'm just putting the polish onto the buffer, just rubbing it in. That way it's not going to fly everywhere. It's going to be standing on the door sill. Woohoo! Alrighty. And there we have it guys, finished for now. Just need to put the weather strip back in and give the windows a good clean and we are done. Thanks for watching guys. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button I'll catch you next episode. Bye.